All right, guys, hey, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a brand new listing here. Where are we? Winter Park, right in the heart of the city, Lake Howell Road. Beautiful, built in 1957, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, huge lot, totally renovated. You gotta come see it. Come check it out, it's not gonna last. All right, so right when we enter the house, we have the beautiful living room, family room combo here. You have a hallway where you have 1 bedroom and then the master suite down there with an expansive shower, totally modernized, totally upgraded. All the restrooms, there's another restroom here, full bathroom. And then we come into the, overlaying the family room, the living room here. We have the kitchen with granite countertops. As you can see, everything's totally modern, so it's turnkey, new appliances, all the upgraded features, a little wet bar here, and then we come into the second living room here where you have the wood-burning fireplace, nice and cozy here, and then it flows into the lanai right here where you have the screened-in porch area, all tiled with the outdoor stove. By the way, newer AC, 3 years old. And then you have a huge backyard with the shed, some shading, no rear neighbors back there, nice new fence, you name it. This house is ready to go. So come check it out. Again, my name is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. And you can call me 321-287-3913. Thank you.